unless and until you forgive, literally from your heart, it will stay not only in this life, but you will carry on with these impressions into the next life. On which you keep thinking about it, and also emotionally gets affected. And that heart is burdened with such pain. So we have all this memory, emotional memory and cognitive memory, right? Mental memory or the memory by the emotion. Okay. It is important, first of all, to get rid of this emotional memory. Often such thing happens, most of the actions are because of misunderstanding. You say something, other person understands it as something else, and it perpetuates. So understanding is also required from both sides. And even when you fully understand that other person has done harm to you, but keeping that hurt in your heart is not going to help you. Unless and until you develop a bigger heart than the other person, unless and until you forgive, literally from your heart, it will stay not only in this life, but you will carry on with these impressions into the next life. Even if you are a good person, even if you have not hurt anybody else, but being hurt yourself, you will carry the seeds of hurt, we call samskars, into future. So sooner we dissolve and settle the score of hurt, better it is. And moment you have fully dissolved this hurt from the heart, the cognitive memory at a mental level, whether it is there or not, it is immaterial. You see, you will be smiling, in fact, whenever you remember something wrong that was done by someone, but you got over it with right understanding and forgiving. Then you will not bother about even recollection at a mental level. It will come and go and you will simply smile about it, see. And Sahaj Paddhati, it helps us when we do our evening cleaning. It removes such sort of misunderstanding. And before we go to sleep, we pray to God that if I have done something myself, please forgive me and help me so that I don't repeat it. And also settle it with the other person by praying that I don't carry this poison in my heart. You see, if you keep remembering with your heart, with emotion, this poison will remain in your heart. It's a visham. And that will spoil not only your physical health, it will spoil your physical health, your mental health, and more importantly, your spiritual welfare. So sooner you get rid of this, better it is. And unless and until you get out of this hurt feeling, love cannot come from the heart. And our whole existence is driven by love. And when love does not flow from your heart, whom are you hurting? Are you hurting the person who hurt you, or you are hurting yourself even more?